Hello everyone! Welcome to Mark's Homestead, your ultimate destination for organic farming in Zimbabwe. I'm Mark, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. At Mark's Homestead, we believe in sustainable living, organic farming practices, and a deep connection with nature. We're passionate about raising chickens, rabbits, goats, and maintaining beehives, all while growing a variety of cash crops for sale and personal consumption. But we don't want to keep all this goodness to ourselves. We want to share our knowledge and experiences with you, our amazing community. That's why we've created this YouTube channel, so you can join us on our farming journey, learn about organic practices, and get inspired to start your own homestead. Whether you're an experienced farmer or someone who's just curious about sustainable living, this channel is for you. We'll be sharing tips, tricks, and techniques we've learned over the years, as well as updates on our latest projects and adventures on the farm. But here's the thing, we can't do it without your support. We need your love, encouragement, and engagement to keep this channel thriving. So, if you enjoy what you see, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll never miss an episode and will become an integral part of our farming family. Don't forget to click the like button if you found this video informative or inspiring. It helps us reach more people who are interested in organic farming and sustainable practices. And of course, sharing is caring. If you have loved ones who would appreciate our content, please share this channel with them. Let's spread the knowledge and joy of organic farming together. Once again, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We're excited to have you as a part of our community, and we can't wait to share all the amazing things happening here at Mark's Homestead. Stay tuned for upcoming videos filled with valuable insights, farm updates, and plenty of adorable animal moments. Mark, remember, it's all about living in harmony with nature and cultivating a sustainable future. Until next time, take care, stay connected, and keep on farming.